In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix user not found on Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch Instagram app. Navigate to settings and activity, then head over to the option blocked, click on that. If the account appears in your blocked list, simply unblocking the user may immediately solve the problem and allow you to locate their profile again. If the account is not blocked and you are still seeing the user not found message, the issue may be caused by a temporary Instagram app glitch or account loading problem. To address this, you can log out of your account, then log in back. This process can refresh your account data and help resolve temporary issues that may be preventing profiles from loading correctly. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it. This will ensure that you have the latest fixes and performance improvements available. And that's it. These are some fixes for seeing user not found error on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.